I'm just going to start by moisturizing my skin really well because that's the first step to achieving great makeup. Apply your favorite moisturizer and just massage it really well into the skin. The next step is to apply a really good primer because you will be dancing and you will be staying with this makeup for a really long time. So just apply it onto your T-zone or wherever you feel oily and just blend it. Wait for it to dry before you move on with the makeup ahead. Now taking a corrector, I am going to dab the orange concealer under my eye area really well because I have dark circles on that area. And I'm also going to just apply a little bit around my mouth. Now taking my foundation, I am applying it all over my skin and then I will be blending it all in using a kabuki brush. Once the foundation is all blended really well, then you can move on and apply the concealer under your eye area and wherever you have dark spots. Now I'm going to use a cream contour just to give that really sharp structure and dimension to my skin. And I'm going to blend it with a big fluffy brush. I've just used it a bit on my cheekbones and jawline and also on my nose. Now taking a loose powder, I'm just going to set all my makeup using my favorite loose powder, which is from Color Bar, and I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. Now it's time to contour the face with a powder contour, so I'm just going to apply it again on my cheekbones, my nose, and on the forehead and jawline as well. To give a natural flush, I'm using a cream blush and I'm just taking a very peachy pinkish shade and I'm just going to blend it using my fingers. I'm using a liquid highlighter this time and I'm again going to blend the same with my fingers. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to start creating dimension on my eyes with the help of a dark brown shade, and I'm just going to use the back and forth motion and apply it on my eyes. I'm going to top it up with an orangish peachish shade because it's going to match my outfit. So I'm just taking an orange shade and I'm applying it onto my eyes. Now I am taking a little bit of Vaseline. You need a very little because I'll be applying glitter pigments. So just take a very tiny bit of it and apply it on the eyelids wherever you want the loose pigment to stick on. And I'm taking a bright mustard pigment and I'm applying it on half of my eyelids, starting from the inner corners going towards the half of it. For the corner of the eye, I'm taking the dark yellow, or you can say like a brown shade. That's another pigment that I'm using, and I'm just going to use that foiled eyeshadow on the corner of the eye. Now it's time to apply the eyeliner. I'm going to avoid using falsies today, but I am using a very voluminous mascara which is going to give a lot of volume to my eyelashes. For the lips, I'm using a red lip liner. I'm going to start by making an X on my Cupid's bow and then just line it across my lip outline. And I'm going to fill it in using a dark red shade and just applying it a little bit on my lips. And I'm done. This is super simple and it looks really glam. You can wear this makeup look for the festive season, for the Diwali parties, and even for the wedding season. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon. I love you guys. Bye.